Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is chromatography, a beautifully simple separation technique. By the end of this, you'll know the steps, where to draw the start line, and how to identify substances from the result. Chromatography separates mixtures using a mobile phase, the solvent, and a stationary phase, the paper. You spot the sample, dip the paper in solvent, and let the solvent travel up. Different substances travel at different rates. Those more attracted to the mobile phase travel further. 3 things. 1. Draw the start line in pencil. Pen ink would dissolve and confuse the result. 2. The start line must be above the solvent level or your spots dissolve away. 3. Pure substances give one spot. Mixtures give multiple spots. Common slip, putting the start line below the solvent line. The sample dissolves away immediately and the experiment is ruined. Always check the solvent level is below your spots before you start. Quick example. Test an ink by spotting it next to known dyes. Run the solvent. The unknown splits into red, blue and yellow spots, each level with one of the known dyes. So your ink is a mixture of those 3 dyes. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher Revision Planner ready to download, plus the Mastery Workbooks across Maths, Physics, Biology and Chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.